Hello everyone, welcome. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Guess what? Today I'm with one of our top clients who has been using this amazing product, HemoHIM. Most of you already know about HemoHIM. It's a flagship product of Atomy, an immune booster made from 3 herbal extracts, okay? I call it my miracle herbal extract. Watch and let's see what Papa has to say about this amazing product, okay? So I'm with Mr. Suraj, Khattri, okay, who has been using this product for months now, okay? So let's hear from him. Who introduced you, Papa, to this amazing HemoHIM?
Well, I used to be, but actually I'm 89 years old.
Wow.
But in the morning when I got up, come downstairs, do a little bit of work, I got tired, could not feel like to do it. Wow. Just like a miserable life, So Sonia, my daughter, she introduced me that. She said, Papa, why don't you try HemoHIM one time, have a look how it goes.
Yeah.
I said, okay, I will try it. And she gave me 3-4 pieces, shoot, to try it. In first day I took it, I feel much better,
Wow.
So
good to
I
hear.
said, well, I will take it continuously.
Yeah.
And now I'm just like a bumblebee, I've been doing every day. I'm doing things here and there, running around.
Wow. So literally a surge of energy, like just come back. Energy booster. Oh my gosh.
Because in English medicine, I don't believe in.
Yeah.
Because they got a lot of
chemicals and side effects. Yeah.
Side effects.
Yeah.
But that one is grow on the land. In nature thing.
It's a natural supplement.
Yes.
Yeah, they are herbs.
That's why. And now I've been taking that nearly 3 months now.
Wow.
And I'm okay.
Wow.
I feel like over the moon,
Wow. I'm so glad. This is an amazing testimony.
Yes. I will recommend everybody, who's a bit age of over 50, they can take it.
Yeah.
They will feel like it. Yes, there is something in it, just like a magic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is what we say about all Atomy products. You only need to try them, okay? A trial will convince you. Here Papa now saying that he is going to recommend, he is already recommending and will continue to recommend HemoHIM to everybody.